Hello, children.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Fine, sit down, please. So, children, look at the video now, and you should guess the topic of the lesson. Listen carefully.
He is going to wake up soon. He is going to choose the healthy path. He is going to run and eat healthy food. He is going to put on his sneakers and start moving. He is going to brush his teeth, drink water, run outside, and play football. He is going to stay lazy on the couch. He is going to feel energetic and happy. He is going to continue choosing the healthy path every day. He is going to...
So, children, how do we see? What is the topic of the lesson? Maria? We're going to? Yes, right. We're going to. So, today our museum language focus to be going to affirmative and negative. Learning objectives on some familiar general and academic topics with some supported examples of argumentation and justification. Use various forms of the future tense as well as the extended present tense in the sense of the future in relation to many familiar general and skillful learning topics. So next lesson objectives. The first of all, you should, students, learn be going to form plans and intentions. And the next, write about plans, intentions using be going to. And the third, learn how to remember grammar with examples. Do you understand? Yes. Okay. So, a weekly proverb is happiness goes to those who work hard. So, next, new words. Yes, I have the cards, and now I will give you these cards. So, children, repeat after me the new words. Plants, planning. Eat more vegetables, есть больше овощей.
Eat more vegetables, есть больше овощей.
Join a gym, записаться, спортзал.
Join a gym, записаться в спортзал.
Avoid sweets, не есть сладкое.
Avoid sweets, не есть сладкое.
Drink water, пить воду.
Drink water, пить воду.
Okay. So next, now open your copybooks and write down the date. What is the date today? The 18th of April. The 8th. Speak louder, please, okay? Have you finished? Yes. So, next. Children, we're going to talk about future plans and intentions. We use be going to, yes? Когда мы говорим о будущих планах и намерениях, мы используем be going to. So, we have the form affirmative and negative. So, affirmative form, repeat after me. Subject, plus, to be, plus, going to, plus verb. It is affirmative form, yes? Next, negative form. Subject, to be, plus not, plus going to, plus verb. It is negative form. So, now, do you know to be verb? To be verb. To be verb, for example, I am, it is, subject is am to be. So you are, we are, and they are. Next, the third form, he is, she is, it is. Repeat after me. I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, it is. It is to be verb. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So next, individual work, archery game. So the first of all, descriptor for you. Choose the right answer and 2 points. And the first of all, I will give you assessment. It is assessment for you. So you put your scores in this paper, okay? You assess yourself. So for you, write your name, please. In this place, you should write the name, date, task 1, task 2, task 3, and task 4. Total score you should write down in this place, okay? So, individual word for you archery game, choose the right answer. Now, сейчас вы отвечаете на вопросы one by one, по одному, okay? So, start. Альхан, read, come here, in this place, and read the distribution. 1 minute. So, read the sentences.
Isn't going to watch TV. We are going to work hard.
Okay. No, it's not correct. Sit down. You have no score. What method about? Next, Yasmina, come here. Be quick.
They aren't going to play video games all night. They need to study.
Alright, yes. Good, 2 points. 2 points. Victoria, come here. Ставьте оценку.
Success is going to come to who works hard.
Is? Let's check. Yes, right. Put your 2 score in this sheet of assessment. So, Dasha, come here, please.
I'm going to skip breakfast today. It is about
Yes, let's check. It's not correct. You have no score. So, sit down, please. Dastan, come here.
You are going to be a professional doctor in the future.
Scores, добавьте баллы. Next, Mariam, come here.
My friends are going to join a sports club next week.
Are, yes? It's not correct. So,
We are going to exercise in the gym tomorrow.
Yes, scores into sheet of maps. Баллы ставят. So, поставили балл? Okay. So next task for you. Pair work. Pair work. Работа в паре. Yes. Future plans. Descriptor. Make sentences. Составьте предложение. Work in a pairs. Работаем в паре. You have 2 points. So, now you should do these exercises into copybook. Yes, you should write on your copybook these sentences. The first, complete the sentences. Use am, is, are, going to, and you should make negative sentences. Use am not, is not, isn't, aren't, going to. So I will give you 5 minutes for this task. Write down on your copybook. You work in pair. Alihan with Yasmina work together. So Victoria with Dasha work together. Okay. And you two and you alone. Okay. So, you have 1 minute. Be free. Are we finished?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let's check your answers. So start, Alihan.
One, I am going to eat healthy food.
Healthy. Okay, right. Correct. Правильно.
2. She is going to drink more water.
Yes, is right. Okay, good job. Next.
They are going to go to bed early.
Are, yes. Okay, right.
We are going to
Yes, are, good job. And make negative sentences. Please, the first, Dastan.
I am not going to eat the junk food.
Yes, and no. Next. Maria?
He isn't going to skip breakfast.
Yes, it's not. So,
We are going to stay up late.
late. So, and now, if you have all the sentences is right, you should put 2 score in your sheet of assessment. If you have half of the sentences is not correct, you should put 1 point. Okay? Если все указания правильные, то ставите 2 points. Okay. Warming up. So now please stand up. Yes. And now you should watch the video and do activity. Okay? Jump. Okay. Yes, jump. Warm up with the hands. Yes, with hands. Like this, yes. Get ready to dance. 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 Yes. Dancing. You know that? Dance, dance. It's time to relax. Drink ears. Energy. Breathe. Breathe out. 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 So, get ready to swim. Swim, please. Swim. Silence, like this. Silence. Silence. Swipe. 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 Repeat swipe. Повторяй swipe. Sit. Sit. And stand. Sit. Stand up. Sit. Stand up. Sit. Stand up. Very cool. Keep like this. Keep. 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 You are awesome. Thank you very much. Sit down, please. So, and the next, so, group word, puzzle speaking method. Descriptor, you should complete the puzzle correctly. Вам нужно будет собрать puzzle, да? Правильно. So next, make sentences using be going to. Составить предложение, используя be going to. We have the constructions, yes, affirmative form on the board and the negative form. And the next speak correctly, правильно произносить, and this, you got 3 points, 3 balls. So, the next group word, and after that, so we should divide in 2 groups. Yes. Now, 1 minute. So 1 minute. Look, we use platform, yes. And the first group, Yasmina, Mariam, Dastan, Bagdan. The second group, Alihan, Victoria. Alina and Dasha. Please, turn. Please cover. Yes. Okay. So, I will give you two cards. I will give you two cards. In these cards, we have a puzzle. You should collect it together. Yes? And for you, this for you. Open this, please. Like this. And you should collect it. Collect, okay? Yes. You should collect. Yes. Collect the puzzle. Be quick. So, groups, I will give you 7 minutes. 7, okay? So, have you finished? Yes. So, children, the first group, your picture is about what? What is about your picture? Healthy or unhealthy? Healthy habits, yes. And now you should to make sentences. Составить предложение. You should use be going to, okay? Составляем. So, what is the picture? What is about your picture? Unhealthy habits. Unhealthy habits, okay? Now, look into the pictures, the first, the second, the third, and to make sentences. To make sentences. Смотрим на картинку, составляем предложение, окей? Составляем. Okay. Yes. In this place, you should write. Okay. Write down. Write. Yes. You work together in a group. Работаем в группе, да? You work together. Вы работаете вместе. Discussion, обсуждение. Yes. Help together. Помогаем друг другу. Составляем. Yes. You work in a group. Help to get each other. To each other. Помогаем.
They are going to the plane.
So, what, children, you have 5 minutes.
He's going to the следующее. Это мы смотрим.
Write down in this place, right? So look to the picture and write.
Пишите he's
Альхан.
He's going. No. fast food.
Is sleeping.
He is going to sleep.
So you have 2 minutes between 2 minutes you have.
Eat together, going to eat together. He is going to sleep.
How many sentences do you have? How many sentences? 6 sentences? So, children, you have 1 minute. 1.
It must be clean a table.
Okay, time is up. Groups, the first group, the second group, time is up. Now, you should read 1 sentences, 1 by 1, okay? Alihan, start, please, your sentences.
He is going to no smoking, no drinking.
He is going to...
He's not going no smoking, no drinking.
Okay, good. Next.
Yes. The car is going to crash.
The car is going to crash in this place, yes? Okay. Dasha, your sentences?
He is going to sleep.
He is going to sleep. Sleep. Okay. Next. Next sentences, Salihan.
He is going to play games.
He is going to play games in this place, yes? Right. Next.
He is going to eat fast food.
Eat fast food. Okay. Dasha?
He is going to use his home. His dream.
Okay. So, now second group, your sentence. So, your sentences, how many sentences? 8 sentences. Sure, Alihan?
He's going to his home will
Driving. So, if you all the sentences is correct, put 3 scores in your sheet of assessment. So, second group, that's done. You are making sentences about healthy habits. Yes. Okay. Bogdan, that's done. Start.
He is going to eat healthy food.
He is going to. Okay. Good.
They are going to read book together.
Okay.
They are going to study together.
Study together. Okay.
They are going to clear a table.
Clear table. Next.
They are going to plant a tree.
Plant a tree, okay.
They are going to run in the park.
Run, okay.
He is going to sleep early.
Early.
They are going to eat together healthy food.
Healthy foods. That's all? So, your sentences is correct. Put your 3 score into sheet of assessment. So, next task for you. Now, take your mobile phones. The next task is digital sorting activity. Learning apps. You should scan this QR, yes? And descriptor, listen. Classify the sentences into the right variant. Вам нужна классификация, да, предложений в правильную форму. Так, okay, please scan. Scan this QR. So you have 3 categories, yes? The first, green, am going to. The second, is going to. The third, are going to. You should classify. In this place, classify the sentences. 5 minutes for you. First of all, read sentences, okay? Читаем, потом ставим правильную таблицу. You have finished? How many scores? All is correct. Put 2 score in your sheet of paper. 1 is not correct, yes? 1 point. All is correct. Okay, 2 points. So, show me please. All is correct. Okay, 2 points. So, you have finished? All is correct? Yes. So, 3 points. Yes. Alejandro? Sentence is correct? So, put 2 points. 2 points, yes? You have some mistakes. So, now, look at the presentation. Reflection of this lesson is called emoji reflections, yes? How was the lesson? Do you understand the going to? So now come here and choose one emoji. So one by one. Victoria, read. Understood perfectly. Okay, thank you for your feedback. Next, Yasmina. How was the lesson? Do you understand the going to? Perfectly. back. Dastan, come here. Choose one emoji.
Understood perfectly.
Okay, thank you. Come here. Perfectly. Okay, thank you for your feedback.
Understood perfectly.
Perfectly. Okay, thank you. Dasha? Perfectly. Okay, thank you for your feedback. So, now, I think that you understood, yes, the topic of the lesson to be going to. So now, your homework will be write 7 sentences about plans you should be going to. Напишите 7 предложений, да, используя о ваших планах, используя нашу конструкцию be going to. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so now the lesson is over. Stand up. The lesson is over, so goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Sit down, please. Now, your assessment. How many scores do you have? So, Alihan. 7. Mariam. 8. Dasha. 8. Victoria.
9.
9. Yasmina. 9. Dastan. 8. Marina. 9. So, the lesson is over. Thank you for your participant. So, goodbye.